Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about breadboard. So one of the most important and basic tool in electronics. So let's get started. So what is breadboard? A breadboard is a tool which is used to build and test circuits without soldering. It allows you to quickly connect components and experiments with electronic circuits like this. It is widely used by students, hobbyists, and engineers for prototyping. A breadboard has holes and sockets. They are arranged in a grid like a structure. The two long side strips on the sides are called power rails. They are used for positive and ground connections. So, this is all about breadboard. Back side of the breadboard will be like this. I am taking another breadboard for backside structure. So the structure will be like this. We are having two power rails. These are power rails. Just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sections are horizontally connected and the lower part is also horizontally connected. You can see the back side of the breadboard. From this point to this point we are having metal like a structure. We are having metal like a structure from this point to this point. In between these 2 points there will be a separation, right? The downside also same, like this. Okay, the middle is the separation and this part is also same. In this horizontal section these two parts are separated with each other, and the middle also we are having separation. So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 horizontal sections and 2 vertical sections in the middle area. This part is mainly used for connecting electronic components like resistors, ICs, inductors. It depends on your circuit requirement. You can implement any circuit. So for example, you can connect the ICs also. Means we are having separation, right? So we are having the vertical like a metal plate is there. Holes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 holes are vertically connected, which means connection is vertical. In this part we are connecting this horizontal. In this connection is horizontal up to this part, and from this point to this point. So we are having 8 horizontal sections and 2 vertical sections with the separation. For example, I am taking a IC. This is the IC. IC has 14 pins. I want to connect it on breadboard by placing in the middle part of the breadboard like this, so that we can use all the pins separately. So this is the use of separation. For example, I am taking a circuit. A resistor which is in series with LED. This is a simple circuit. I am connecting it on breadboard. So this is resistor and this is LED which is connected with the plus 5 volts power supply. So take the breadboard and this is the resistor we are having. This is 1K resistor. I am placing it on breadboard like this in the middle part of breadboard like this, and I am taking LED. So this is the LED. LED has two terminals. Longer one is anode, short one is cathode. So take your breadboard and see the connections once. So one end of resistor is connected to anode, cathode is grounded to the power supply. Power supply positive is connected to one end of resistor. Okay. Then take your breadboard and connect the anode to the one end of resistor vertically only. Cathode is placed on breadboard. For example, I'm connecting, the connection will be vertical, right? For example, I'm connecting it on other hole like this, so that there is no connectivity in between these two. Definitely you have to connect vertically only, because the middle part is vertical connection. Then this is your positive plus 5 volts and this is your ground. I am connecting a power rail in the upper section, ground to the lower rail. Okay, and take a jumper wire. So this is the jumper wire which is used to connect the circuits. So I am taking this jumper wire and placing it to the power rail point horizontally to the resistor vertically, and take another jumper wire and connecting it to ground to the cathode. This is the cathode, vertically only. Right now the circuit is closed. Switch on the power supply. Your LED will be in on position, right? So like this, your circuit is. So this is all about breadboard connections. Here are some tips about breadboard. Use jumper wires for neat connections. Always double check your power and ground lines. So always connect positive to the upper part of your breadboard and ground to the lower part of your breadboard. So that will remove your confusions. And do not force components, it can damage the breadboard. That's it for introduction to the breadboard. In the next video we will build more circuit using breadboard. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.